In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Windows 10 11 from saving files to OneDrive 5 minutes. If your PC keeps defaulting to OneDrive when you save files, this walkthrough will help you switch that behavior so your files stay on your computer. We'll start in the OneDrive app itself, then I'll show an optional account level switch, and finally a quick setting inside Microsoft Office apps like Word to make local saving the default. Begin by finding the OneDrive Cloud icon on your taskbar down by the clock. If you don't see it, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the cloud, then open Settings. In the Settings window, go to Sync and Backup. This is where OneDrive controls which key folders are being backed up from your PC. Click Manage Backup, you'll see common folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. To stop Windows from pushing new files from those folders to OneDrive, uncheck or disable the folders you don't want synced. This prevents new and changed files in those locations from uploading. It doesn't delete anything already in the cloud. It simply stops future syncing for the folders you turn off. If you rely on cloud backups for those folders, keep that in mind before you disable them. When you're ready, click Save Changes to confirm. If you prefer a stronger switch, go back to the OneDrive settings window and open the Account tab. Here you can choose Unlink this PC. Unlinking signs your computer out of OneDrive and stops all syncing for this device. Your files that already exist online stay in OneDrive, and any files already downloaded to your computer remain on your disk. You can relink later if you change your mind. This option is helpful if you rarely use OneDrive or want to pause it entirely. Now let's adjust the default save behavior inside Microsoft apps. Open a Microsoft app such as Word. Go to File, then Options. In the left panel, choose Save. Turn on Save to Computer by default, so the app prefers your local drives when you hit save. Also make sure to uncheck Save Documents to OneDrive by default. This ensures new documents default to your PC rather than the cloud, reducing those accidental OneDrive saves. That's it. By adjusting folder backup, optionally unlinking your PC, and setting Office apps to save locally, you'll keep files where you expect them, on your computer. You can always return to these settings to re-enable syncing or relink if your needs change.